Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss about if statement in Python. Okay, so basically in my previous video I have discussed about different conditional operator, and using the conditional operator we can take some decisions if the particular condition is satisfied, and if it is not satisfied we can take some other decision like that. In our practical scenario, day-to-day life, we take lots of decisions, right? On average a human being takes at least 600 decisions per day. Okay, like you have gone to one market, you want to buy a product. If the price of the product is greater than the total amount of money you have, then you cannot buy the product, you have to buy something else. So every time you have to take some decision, right? So basically that how in programming you can implement that, that's what I am going to discuss. So for that we can use if. Okay, so what is the syntax? If you have knowledge of other programming, you might know that in case of C++, Java also if else is present, if else if and else. So in Python what you write, if and then write the condition, if and then don't forget to give the colon. Okay, if the condition is satisfied then do some operation. Here I am writing just dot dot. Else if it is not satisfied and you want to do something, you can do some operation. Okay, sometimes you may have to check multiple condition, then you have to give else if, that is the if the first condition is not satisfied, then you will check the second condition. So for that, in case of other programming language like Java, we write else if, then write the condition, and here you have to write the operation which you want to perform. But in Python else if is not present, rather this is called elif together. Okay, so elif, right? So this is the simple syntax of if, else if and else. Let me show you some examples on this. Suppose first example, I want to check whether a number is even or not. How I can check? First of all, I have to take input from the user. So x equal to int input, enter the number. Okay, so now after taking the number, what we will do, how you check whether a number is even or odd? Basically if the number is divisible by 2, that is even number. If it is not divisible by 2, that means odd number. So what we will do, we will check the remainder after dividing by 2. If the remainder comes as 0, that means even number, else that is odd number. As simple as that. If x mod 2 equal to 0, this is one condition. If the condition will give true as boolean output, then we will print even number. Okay, else obviously even, other option is odd, right? So only one other option, so I have to write odd number. Okay, so on the giving semicolon is optional. If you want, you can ignore. If I run, suppose enter the number 5, I'll be getting output as odd. If I run, if I give input 6 is even number, output is even. Okay, so like that you can check even, odd. Now let me show you some example on if, elif, else, that is multiple condition if you have to check. Suppose I want to check, I will give two number as input and I want to check which one is greater. Okay, or if they are equal. Okay, so x equal to int input, enter the first number. Okay, I am taking. Then y equal to int input, enter the second number. We have taken two number as input. Now if x greater than y, print x, the you can write like this, first number is greater. Okay, if, because other probability is y is greater than x. If y greater than x, let me just copy this part so we can go faster. So if y greater than x, that in that case second number is greater, and else print if both, if x is not greater than y or if y is not greater than x, both conditions are simultaneously satisfied, that means both are equal, right? Both number are okay. So now if I run, enter the first number, let me give 5, second number, let me give 6. So second number is greater. Okay. If I run 5, second number is also 5, both number are equal. If I run 5, give second number as 2, first number is greater. So like that you can check multiple conditions using if, elif, else. Okay. Remember the syntax, very important. First if, then give the condition, give one colon, and in the next line give one tab, and then writing whatever action you want to perform. Okay. Then elif should be written vertically aligned with respect to if. Okay. Don't give elif here, you will get error. See, red color, elif became red color, that means error. So elif has to be written in a vertical line with respect to if. Give condition, give colon, next line give tab, then write whatever operation you want to do if that particular condition is satisfied. Like else, same vertically aligned with if, elif, give colon, then give whatever condition in the next line, but with one tab. Okay. This is called indentation, very important in Python. Generally in other programming language like Java, this is not present, but here the indentation is a very important part. If you don't give the tab, you will be getting error. Okay. So this is how you can do and play with conditional statements and take some decisions if some certain conditions are satisfied. Okay. Practice, lots of problems are available in Google. I will show you later at some particular point of time some examples based on this. Till then, stay tuned, and if you find this video helpful, please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and please press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Thank you.